Well, good morning and welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. This is A Country Life. Yes, I'm staying in my workout clothes so far. We are getting like heat index warnings today, so it's it's going to be getting very hot. It's extremely sticky. You know I'm here for that kind of weather. I absolutely love it. Actually, last night, Warren and I were out on a UTV ride. We were checking, well, maybe you saw that video. Sorry, my dryer is going. Let me step out someplace a little quieter. Into the humidity. Okay, so we were out. Oh yeah, everything already fogged up. Look at that. Can we get that unfogged? We took a UTV ride around the property. We're at probably about 75% full bloom. Okay, this is not gonna work in the humidity either, is it? And I didn't even think it was actually warm at all. And I mean, we're on the UTV. The wind, the breeze is like blowing on us. We're not moving, right? It's not like we're walking or running or doing anything like that. And Warren was like, it's just so hot and sticky out here. I was like, really? Because I'm kind of chilly right now. And we were just talking about it. I said, I wonder if it's because my skin is naturally so dry that my body can absorb the humidity a lot before it actually starts to affect me. All right, well, you know what's in the background here? That. Yes, it is June 20, is it the 28th or the 29th today? It's kind of disappointing to me. This all came for free. This I purchased every day when it was like, today is going to be the day that I'm going to go down and put some things in the garden. And I mean, I have seeds and I have all kinds of things that could be planted, but it just never happened. It seemed like there was yet one more thing that needed to be done. Or it was like, Warren would say something like, are we going to go and do this like fun thing? Are we going to, take a day away and go do this fun thing? It's like, okay, am I going to stay back and plant the garden or do this fun thing? I think I'm going to do the fun thing. Not that gardening isn't fun. I love gardening. But all that to say, I'm going to get this down to the garden today and see what I can do. Is it too late for our climate? Quite possibly. But what can it hurt? This was free. I've already spent money on this. It's not going to do any worse than it's doing just sitting here in this little tote here. So let's get this down to the garden, see what's happening down there. I'm pretty sure that all the weeding that Maria and I did earlier is probably, it's all growing back already. So we're going to have to start by weeding and then figuring out where we're going to put this stuff. We're going to plant it and see what happens. I guess you could say it's kind of like a test. Well, I was right. Every single hole where we had something planted last year and then we weeded this early summer or late spring already has weeds growing in it. Some of them, though, are not weeds. Look at that. We actually have some dill, but that's not going to matter because I don't have any cucumbers. I have no cucumbers, and I definitely would not get cucumbers if I planted now. That is a for sure thing. So let's kind of start weeding, figure out where we're going to plant, and get it going. Maybe I have a friend who will need dill. I don't know. We're going to plant it because we've got it. Will those dill survive? I have no idea. Some of them, the stems aren't even green. They're already starting to brown. But I have them, so we might as well go with it. All right, next up, we've got some basil. Smells good. one thing about down here in the, like the actual garden here, is that Warren has this set up with sprinklers. So every time he irrigates the cranberry marsh, he irrigates the garden. So that actually makes it very easy on me for watering down here. I really don't even worry about it anymore. And if I do happen to think it's getting too moist, too damp, he'll just shut that valve off so it doesn't irrigate here. The lettuce looks pitiful. Do I even do anything with this? I feel like this one has some potential. Maybe this one too. All right, we'll plant these up and see if anything grows. And this morning was a watering day for Warren, so actually the weeds are pulling. So nice. The sun has started to peek out, and yes indeed, it is getting pretty steamy. I do have all of the peppers planted already. I have no idea what varieties there could possibly be. Maybe they're all the same. It is a mystery. I do have multiple tomatoes in this one, so we're going to try to separate this because these actually look pretty darn nice. We're going to put those two there and these two here and see if we can get these to grow. One thing with tomatoes is you can plant them pretty deep, so these are pretty spindly and well, yeah, they're just pretty spindly, but you can plant them pretty darn deep. I have no idea what variety tomatoes these are. These could all be cherry tomatoes for all I know, and I could end up with 5,000 cherry tomatoes. I have no idea. Nothing was labeled. They were just peppers and tomatoes. Now, it's not always necessary to take this little paper off. At least that's what the directions say. I'm pretty sure that's what it says. And I've done it both ways. I've planted with these little papers attached. I don't know. I have found that I think they do better if you take them off. I mean, the plants all still grew. I just thought that the roots, they will grow through this, but I feel like they spread a little bit more if you take that little like tissuey paper off. All right, the peppers are already wilting because even though the soil is nice and moist from Warren irrigating this morning, and he still has been running, he hasn't turned off that gasket for over here, but anyway, everything is still wilting. So I'm going to go and get water, start watering everything down here. The only thing I have left to plant would be these onions, and I think, is there any life left in these onions? I think so. There's a lot of them there. I'm not sure if that's going to happen today, but I do definitely need to get water right now. I'm going to get my trusty milk jugs filled up here, and boy, yes, the sweat is running now. I am feeling like a hot mess right now. I like it. I don't mind it, except the fact that it's getting blasted all over the internet, right? What happened to the daily vlogs in June? Well, we had Totus Tuus, and I know I've already mentioned that in a video, so that's kind of what happened that week. I think I only got 2 videos up maybe that week. Then we ran out of our hotspot data, and we went and bought more after a couple of days it took us to get to the store. And we bought more because the way ours is set up, we can't purchase more online because it's a hotspot and we don't have a phone line with Cricket wireless, just a hotspot. So anyway, we got into the store, bought how many? What did we buy? 40 more gigs, I think. And in 4 days, that was gone. I'm a little unsure about that because that's 10 a day and our average is usually around 5 to 6 a day. So then once that was gone, we didn't go back in and buy any more. So I did try using my hotspot, my personal hotspot off my phone, and I got a video starting to upload. Only about, I think it only uploaded to like 13%. That's where I'm at right now. That is a squeaky old wagon, isn't it? We're going to do, so now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna get cleaned up, get these these sweaty clothes off. Oh, I have to go back and get my garbage. Yes. And then I'm gonna get to doing computer work. Emily has a newsletter done, a newsletter email done, and so she's been like, Mom, are you gonna check that? Are you gonna check that? And I was like, well, I'm out of data. I could go to a library or something, but just haven't. So I guess I didn't mention, today it renewed. So today our month plan renewed again. So now we are loaded. And we're gonna just do all the things today. Warren and I still have to do the guardianship training. It's an online training. Warren thought it was like 2 hours. I don't know. I think it's like 7 hours. So that's going to take a ton of data to do that. I've got a video to upload. I started editing another video. Got that one to upload. So we're just going to suck the internet dry today, I guess. I walked to the garden and I already took my garbage up by the hose. Yeah, so I'm going to be quiet on here today now because I'm going to be doing a lot of just online work. Lots and lots of that. Check emails, kind of deal with some brands that I've probably dropped the ball on. And so those probably aren't going to end up going through because if you don't get back to brands timely, they don't really like that. I'll do a lot of emails and things like that on my phone because that's quick and easy. But there's just some things like, you know, I might have to like look at a Google Doc, or I might have to print something, and I don't know about you, but I just don't like doing that stuff from my phone. I'd much rather be at my laptop. The sun has kind of gone behind the clouds again, so it feels cooler. I think my guys are probably liking that. So Warren is, what did he say? Is he doing ditch banks? What tractor is over there? He might be mowing ditch banks. Peter and the other teen we have working here, they are working on weeds right now. Everybody's favorite. Peter was mowing this morning. Porter was weed whacking this morning. So they were busy. They're only working till noon. Warren was like, 8 to noon today, that's it. Because of the heat, I don't want you guys to, you know, get heat stroke or anything. Tonight we are making a 2-ingredient meal. So I just opened up some chicken wings, and I have Good Seasons Italian dressing. Now if I had the zesty, I would use zesty, but I guess for whatever reason last time I got the regular. Just kind of break the joint or expand it as much as you can. This nice sharp knife is perfect. Way faster. Now all of these wing tips, you can be extremely thrifty and cook those down into some chicken broth. They don't have to be just tossed. Now 1 to 2 packets of this. Usually I just do 1. I'm gonna get my oven set to 400. And I'm going to sprinkle half, and let's sprinkle half on now. I did spray the pan as well. Sprinkle half of this Good Seasons on. Tuck that away for later. These are going to go in for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to turn them, sprinkle again for another 30 minutes. You want that skin to get nice and crispy. I've decided I'm throwing the wingtips. are going to put this onto... Is there a potato button that I never noticed? I am not seeing one. I'll just do my normal. Pressure cook. Pressure level. We'll go high. Pressure cook. I'm going to go 17 minutes on those. I was just informed we need to make this as fast as we can. Peter has to cook food on a camping trip.
Yep.
Peter and his friend, they're, I guess, co-cooks, or cook and assistant cook. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, we're heading into Walmart to see what we can find for options for easy food for teenage boys, teenage boys to prepare in the mountains. First thing Peter thinks he needs is fireworks.
No, that's how you cook stuff in the mountains.
That's how you cook stuff? Yeah. I don't think that would be allowed, actually.
Freeze-dried lasagna, put it on top of a firecracker, boom. It's all nice to cook.
So years ago, the jerky spice that we always liked was in the kitchen area by the food dehydrators. I found the food dehydrators. Now I'm looking for if they have the jerky spice over here, because it was always American Harvest was the brand that we used to like, I think, but I'm not seeing anything. I bet it's over in Sporting Goods. What'd you find?
Curry. Oh, where's the curry? Thai style coconut curry. That sounds awful. Sounds good. Holy expensive. Mr. Beast has beef sticks? What the dump?
Oh, right here, yeah, Mr.
literally.
Beast. He's tried these before, and they were kind of That's the one that we bought last time.
We still have it.
Yeah, we still have some of it up there because it wasn't very good. Only one brand, and we've had this before, and we actually didn't really care for it. So we're going to have to pass.
Which honestly, on a cold morning, having that for breakfast wouldn't be too bad.
Nobody knows.
But I'm guessing. Is there any rice that you want? 5 servings. And prepared is 1 cup.
Prepared. Dad made supper tonight.
How many burgers do I have to bring down? 1?
You did make supper, yeah.
You did make supper, I know.
Now this is why I like chips. Look at that
Look at the
stack
napkins.
of napkins. That is awesome.
That is a dad's stack of napkins.